You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I think prove by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I need to feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo.
Hey guys. Hey. So I just filmed you guys video. You people did not allow me rest in the DM, in the comments, even when I asked on my story. So I just finished filming the video for you guys. I hope it answers all your questions. And yeah, so I want to edit it. This is currently like 9. I want to edit this. I want this video to go up today. It's not passing today, so I'm staying all in until it finishes, until I'm done editing. It's a quick video, so I should be done editing in like 1 hour, 2 hours. So yep, let's see how it goes.
I did what I got when then kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ivona. Now see what you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Churu. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani Churu. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My yo.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is Saturday and I want to clean up. I'm doing a lot of cleaning. I've cleaned my toilet. I'm currently going to arrange this room. The room is a mess. I can't even show you guys. But what I want to do now is to arrange my wardrobe. I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if I want to put this in a vlog or put this in like a different video, but I don't know. But let's just see how things go. I filmed the video yesterday. That video, yeah, it's gonna do well. It's gonna do well. At this point right now, it's like 18 hours and it's on 2K views. It needs to go up. It really needs to go up. But I know it's going to do well, Sha. Meanwhile, happy new month. This is October and this is my birth month. So so my birthday is coming up, 26th October. I don't know, man. I really don't know what's gonna happen, but let's just see how things play out. But I'm really excited to be in a new month. September felt like it was the longest. It was so long. September was so long. So yeah, October is here. So many goals for this my birth month. So many things I want to do this month. Let's just see how things go, Sha. So yeah, let me just go ahead and clean up this place. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys later. So this is what my storage looks like. I got a couple of, I got these plastic storage boxes. I want to put them here and kind of arrange my cosmetics inside. Like, I hope it's enough, but like you'll see what I'm trying to do. But this looks very scattered and I don't like that, so I want to arrange them like this. I got this from Amazon, and yeah, so let's go ahead and arrange this guy. think you guys have seen this behind me. So this is like a study shelf. I'm in a student accommodation, like a student apartment here, and they gave this shelf for maybe you want to keep your books or something, but I'm personally not going to do that. I'm personally not going to do that. I wish I could remove it, but I cannot. This is where I tend to like just drop my daily things that I use daily, so like my cream, perfumes, glasses, short notes, jewelry. So I just want to fill this place up with some things because I don't like how it's just looking, because if I continue like this place is going to be a mess. So a good way to kind of prevent your space from looking very messy, if you have different things, like different products or different things in a particular place, is to use storage baskets. So I got this storage basket from Primark. It's a 2-in-1. So there's this, and then there is this one. So like this is how it came. So I'm going to be using these to kind of place all the things that I use daily here, and it's going to be like a storage basket. It's actually a storage basket, but you see how this place looks. It doesn't look cute. So I'm just going to use this to store the things that I use daily in here. So I bought this swan ornament just for aesthetics. I'm just gonna put this here. I got this from Poundland. Yeah, so this is just here. I'm keeping it at the top because I'm not gonna be touching this top. It's even too far up there. I got a couple of things from Amazon that I am going to return because they don't make sense. I got this. I don't know if I should return it. This is like a mirror. I haven't peeled off the coating, but it's cute. But then I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm still contemplating if I need this or I should just return it. But yeah, saw this at Primark. This is different from the first one I bought, so I was like, let me see whether this one is nice. It smells nice. I don't know if it's going to last, but yeah, I want to set this up. I still don't know what to put here, but I'm going to find things and put there. This thing is what Amazon sent me. This, I'm returning. I'm going to return it. I've already returned it on the website. So just go and drop this off. I am definitely returning this. What am I supposed to do with this? Look at how tiny it is. Anyways, this was what, £7. What? No, it can't be me. So I'm returning this, and I'll probably get one that I saw at Primark. Very cute, because everything here is just brown. So if I can put like green here, can you focus on me? So yeah, if I can put like a green plant here, is it going to go? Is it going to go green? I like the whole brown and white vibe here. So I really don't know, but I need something here. But yeah, this is how I've been able to use up this space. I want to go and fix my bathroom shelf. I bought bathroom shelf, this shelf. So I got this, and the one that is there already is so tiny, like my products can't even fit into the it's like from here to here. So like it's so small. I got this from Amazon as well. This guy is done. This is what it looks like. It looks very organized instead of things being so scattered. I have my makeup, I have skincare. Oh, you can't see skincare. Sorry, let me show you. Okay, so like I have my wipes, I have my makeup brushes, I have some hair. This is like my castor oil. I have some of my skincare here. This is a balm because of my back. I use it to massage my back. I have skincare products here, sanitizers, makeup, hair, what's this, edge control, makeup, makeup, for my glasses, concealers and mascara, all my pencils. This is a hair oil. I still have some space for a couple of things. I have my body oil here. I think I should even move this jewelry, some makeup as well. So this looks much more organized. I have some space for other things that I might put in here, but I love this. I really do. I'm so happy I got it. I feel so organized. So now I just want to put my clothes here. Before, my clothes used to be here, but this is better for products because it's within reach. So now I'm just going to put my clothes here. I tried to do like a color scheme, but I don't know how it's going. I just gave up on this part. All the colors are here, and then I have like neutrals here. So finally, this section I just have like random things, and this is what it looks like. They're very random, just yeah.
Yeah, oh boy, you make me feel like saying, babe, oh, love the way you talk with your eyes, got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely, give me good loving and I'll be alright. Oh baby, come talk to me, this fire keep it burning, them other boys keep them talking, for your case and a mind, don't let it blow mind every time. You and me, no be no man matter, all your exes think say we got better. You can be calling, yeah, I got you falling, that's not a thing we can handle. Oh boy, you're my right hand, show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still lit up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. You make what I call you. Yeah, my heart just to call you. You make what I call you. Yeah, my heart just to call you.
Would you call me? Get 080 in the morning. Why you so hard on me? Oh my baby, don't do like that. I know you love it when I call you baby boo. You going crazy and I love the way you doing it. The way you back it up on me, I swear you too good. The way you love it up on me, and I'm thinking, can we keep it in secret? Don't put that girl, I'll be honest. No one.
Hey guys, so I figured we'd do mini catch up. So what's been going on? I'm about to have dinner. Guys, I don't know if I've been talking in this vlog. I don't even know what I've been recording. I'm having this instant hot chocolate drink. Oh my goodness, vlogging actually puts me in a good mood. I've been a bit down for the past 48 hours. But as I just picked up this camera, ooh, okay, I'm all of a sudden in a good mood. Anywho, I've been craving tea for a while now. I don't know, I just crave things. But yeah, this is what I want to have. I'm using their milk. Just microwaved it and then put this in. So the hair went out. We took out the braids. Oh, I can see the particle. No, come out. The gold particle went in. Anyways, so yeah, what has been going on? I took out my braids. I was trying to film a Sunday routine kind of video, but I was supposed to go grocery shopping, but they closed because it was on a Sunday and I was leaving the house by like 4 and they closed by 4, so I missed that one, so I couldn't do the Sunday reset routine. I think that was where I just gave up on vlogging. I don't know. But I've just been up and about schoolwork is taking a lot of my time, and I actually don't need to add sugar. I was thinking I would have to add sugar. Anyways, so I've just been trying to focus on schoolwork most importantly, and then because even though I don't have exams, I don't have tests, I just have assignments for the courses that I'm offering. So I just have to focus on that assignment and make sure that it comes out well. And then I feel like the past 48 hours, I was just feeling very overwhelmed. It's just too bright. I was just feeling very overwhelmed, and I broke down like several moments at several times of the day. I just broke down. I was crying in the library. When I came back home, I cried. Like, it was just a lot for me, because not like I'm finding it difficult, yeah. I mean, all my life I've been doing biology and things, and then now I'm learning about business. It's very interesting, I'm not gonna lie. I love my classes. I'm just enjoying every moment of the class because I'm learning about brands. We are really dissecting some brands. For example, Primark, really looked at their marketing strategy, why they don't have like online, they don't have like an online shop, and that's a strategy for them. Like we analyze things, make it look very practical, because it's so interesting. It's like a business seminar, but it's class. So I'm just really happy. But then the assignments, and then sometimes obviously some things that they will be saying in class will be so vague to me. But then there are people that are getting it, so I just feel like, what are these people talking about? So that was one of the things that got me overwhelmed, and then I had to just go to the library and, you know, like brush up. And then the assignments is taking a lot of my time. I'm just trying to work faster than I should normally be working, because there's a deadline and you have to submit by the deadline. So yeah, that's what's been going on. I took out my hair. That was the day that I was supposed to do the Sunday routine, reset routine. I don't know if I vlogged it. I vlogged the taking down of the hair process for a video, but I'm not sure I'll use that video because it doesn't have content. But yeah, I just wanted to come and talk to you guys. This vlog is about to end, I think. Or I might actually put the Sunday clips into this vlog, because that vlog now is not complete. The Sunday routine, the reset routine. So I think I'll just put it in this vlog. You probably have seen it, or you'll see it. What I'm about to do right now is to work on my assignment. I don't have time yet for working on this vlog, but this vlog should go up latest Sunday this week, hopefully. And then we'll see what that comes up to.
Would you call me? Get 080 in the morning. Why you so hard on me? Oh my baby, don't do like that. I know you love it when I call you baby boo.
Hi. Hey guys. Today is Thursday, and I'm about to head out for class, but before that I want to make breakfast, smoothies and pancakes. So let's go. I think I want you guys to come with me to class today. It's not like I'm going to record everything, but let's go to class together. This is my last class for the week. What am I looking for? Is it my phone?
Take a step out, listen in now, let your head down. So tonight will you be very in my mind? You get the heck out. I need rest now, I be bummed out. You baby, and on my empty mind still. I take you losing with me. I worry that I think it's best to be on your bed. You don't get
wig is on. This wig needs straightening though. Guys, this smoothie mixture, my goodness, plus this pancakes and veggies, this guy, let me tell you, I barely eat fruits, so I started blending my fruits and I've been loving it. And then when I add that yogurt, I got this cup from Amazon. So it's 8:52. Class is by 9. I'm gonna try to hurry up. Oh, this tastes so good. How do I finish this? Jesus. Oh my, see as my skin is just fresh. Okay, so I'm walking down to school now. Just came down from the bus. Even though that they won't send you back or have any like negative thing to say when you enter into the class, I genuinely just hate walking into class late because it's too much attention and I don't like that, and I feel like it distracts the class. Personally, for me, if I'm in there and then someone is coming in late, and then for the lecturer as well. So my friend just messaged me, I told her to keep a seat for me. But yeah, so we're here. Let me show you guys.
You go out for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh, cause I'm taking you by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I need to feel the girl. I know I feel the girl is out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo.
Hey guys, so I'm about to go out. We want to go to the beach. It's around here, not too far. So today's Friday. I just want to go and detox, relax. I don't even know. I've been working on my assignment here. But I mean, I woke up today by 9. I started working on that assignment by 9. And when I tell you that I did write up to 100 words, I know, right? And I just finished like 30 minutes ago with the assignment stuff. And I did write up to 100 words because, I don't know, somehow it takes a lot of reading to get what I want. And I don't know, it's just taking a lot of my time. It's been a long week, to be honest. And then after that, I'll come back and then work on my videos, trying to keep it balanced. So when I work on my videos and I'm done with my videos and I know it's my assignment for the next couple of days and I'll be good. So we just want to go and chill. I haven't been to the beach. I haven't been to a beach before in my life. And I'm not even kidding. Never been to a beach. I don't know, I'm just scared. Not necessarily scared, but I just don't like water. Like, I don't know, I don't just like being around water. It scares me, drowning and things like that. So yeah, just put on my sunscreen and we can head out. Show you guys my feet, put on my wig, show you guys my feet later on. Are you finished? I'll finish her. What's doing you? Come out. Hey, it's finished. Just come out for today. I have a spare one in my box which I'm not ready to go and open right now. Just come out for today. She's finished. You can't finish on me like that. So I decided to throw on a little bit of makeup so that I can take content. I've not created anything since I came here, like the kind of videos I want to do, walking, you know, outfit check and all of that. I've not started doing that kind of content. So I just did minor, very little makeup, and I'm good to go with my very famous jacket. And yeah, so let's head out. Yeah, so we look like we are set. So let me give you guys like a quick outfit check. No. Okay. Oh, guys, I need to get a bag. Can you see me? I need to get a bag because I can't. I've been carrying this tote bag everywhere, and it's not in it. I need to get like an actual bag. But this is what I'm wearing, and sneakers. Definitely not a sneakers babe, but I have no choice here. So gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah. So we're good. This would be a good place to do a reel.
Body man, nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like one. You no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah.
I don't know, I'm scared. They want me to go on this thing.
More content.
It's not about content though. The Nigerian in me is like, it's high. It's high.
I'm not sure.
Should we? Very wrong day to come
if you want job. You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like one. You no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want telling me could deny my fantasy. What they check if my dad be no wrong. But it ain't rush wherever it be more. I'm gonna make my dad be the wrong. I'm on the wrong. Yeah, it ain't rush wherever it be more. We have everybody the wrong. Hold on the steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me to deny my fantasy. They want to check if my dad be wrong. But it ain't rush wherever it be more. I'm gonna make my dad be the wrong. If I'm money with drugs, yeah. It ain't rush wherever it be more. We behind everybody they cross. Hold on the cross. I said it rush wherever it be more. I'm gonna make my dad be the wrong.
Is on fire.